Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch our latest videos at very first.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to solve a question which are based in array. The name of the question is rotate array. The question were asked in Amazon and many MNC companies which are not listed here. But let's deep dive into the question. Given an unsorted array ARR, we have an unsorted array ARR of size n, whose size is n. Rotate it by d elements. What we have to do is we have to rotate it by d element. D is given by the user. What input contains? The first line of input contains t, denoting the number of test cases. Basically, t means how many times we are going to take a array. First line of each test case contain two space separated element. In the first line of test case, we are having two element. The first element denoting the size of an array, and second element denoting the number of rotations. So let's see, suppose here is two test cases. So in the first test case, we are having 5 and 2, means the size of an array is 5 and the number of rotation we require to do is 2. So here is the elements of an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again in second test case, the size of array is 10 and the number of rotation required is 3. So here is the element of an array. After output, what we are getting is, here we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this becomes 3, 4, 5, 1, 3. What does it mean? It means this ones comes on the 5 place and all the elements moves one position leftward. Again, we know that here is the 2 rotations required. So again 2 comes in this place and all the elements again moves in left. What we are going to do in this question, we are going to take a test case, and for the test case we are going to do these operations in a while loop. Why while loop? Basically while loop means if the condition become false, the loop is automatically get exit. For every test case in the while loop, we are going to take these two, size of an array, number of rotations required. Then we are going to rotate this array 2 times with the help of for loop and some methods also. Again, for the second test case 10 and 3, we are again going to iterate for this element in the for loop and rotate these elements by 3. So let's do that. What I am going to do is I am going to make a scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Then I am going to take test case. So int t is equal to sc dot next int. Again I am going to start a while loop here. While t minus greater than 0. Basically the meaning of this, let's suppose at first the value of t is 2. So for 2 the while loop get executed. Again t minus means 2 becomes 1, and then again for 1 the loop is executed, and then t minus means the t becomes 0, and again 0 comes and check 0 is greater than 0. No, 0 is not greater than 0, and here our while loop is get exit. So that's why I am giving this. So in while loop what I am going to do is I am going to take both this int n, that means size, int n is equal to sc dot next int, and again int r, that means number of rotations, is equal to sc dot next int. So what we are going to do is going to take input from user. So here a real crux started. What is the crux? Let's see. Int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. So basically what I am going to do is, if I am going to take these inputs, then again I have to iterate in a for loop for rotation purpose. We know now in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the 3 is in first position, the 4 is in second position, the 5 is in third position, the is in fourth position, and the 2 is in fifth position. So why we can't directly tick these inputs on that position only? So how can we tick these inputs on that position? Basically our machine knows we are going input as 1 2 3 4 5, but the 1 is storing on position number 4 by our approach, the 2 is stored on position number 5, the 3 is stored on position number 1, the 4th is stored in position number 2, and the 5 is stored in position number 3 by our approach. So our approach is what? Let's see. We are going to take ARR j plus n minus r modulus n is equal to sc dot next int. So here what I have written is, let's dry run the inputs on that so that you can well understand this. At first I is 0 and n is 5 and r is 2. That means 5 minus 2, that basically means 3. 3 modulus 5 means 3. So what we are giving at first are going to stored in a index 3. So 1 is going to stored at index 3. Then I becomes 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 modulus n, basically 4. What we are going to give on second time is basically going to stored in fourth index number. Means 2 is stored in 2. 2 is stored in index 4. Again I becomes 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5 modulus 5 means 0. So what we are going to give on third time is basically going to stored in index 0. So 3 is going to stored in 0. Similarly 4, 5. So we already rotated till now. Now let's print our array. We can also add a line over here so that the second array comes into second line. Yeah, I'm getting error because of this line. I am taking input but not storing it. So that's why error is happening. So let's run the code. Again I have to add, because all the elements come adjacent to it, so I have to add a space over here. Yeah, I am getting same output as given: 3 4 5 1 2, 3 4 5 1 2, 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 2 4 6, 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 2 4 6. So that's all for this video. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. So that's all, and I will see you next time.